My name is Silva Megerditchian. I am the owner and founder of the law office of Silva Megerditchian, and I do criminal defense for both adults and juveniles. A person needs a criminal defense attorney because in most people's lives, being arrested is the scariest thing that they'll ever go through. It's something they've never been through, and honestly, being arrested with officers and knowing that a conviction can keep them in the system for the rest of their lives is the most scariest thing. What a criminal defense attorney does is what I like to say, I take the burden off of their shoulders. We know the law so well. We know to never talk to the police officers because truly everything someone says can be used against them. So if you have a criminal defense attorney, from the very beginning that there's any police contact, we can not only lessen what happens, but really allow that client to say their story, keep them out of trouble. We know the law so well, we can get those cases dismissed, or we can fight them. We make our clients' voices be heard. I always say the law is very powerful and very scary, but with the right representation who understands, we can really help our clients so what happens in one day won't be remembered for the rest of their lives. What a defense attorney does is, from the very beginning, we represent our clients in the court system. What we can do is we handle the police involvement and we also handle the court involvement. What happens in a typical case is a person is charged with a crime and they have to make their first appearance in court. What we do is we represent our clients so they never have to talk to the police and they never have to be involved with the district attorney. I tell my clients all the time, district attorneys are educated. They go through law school. They know how to ask questions in a way that without my client even knowing, they'll divulge information. What I do, I don't allow my client to do that. I take care of my client from the start, and what a criminal defense attorney really does is we give the power back to the client. It's so difficult to be wrapped up in a system that's complicated, where really people believe that their rights are completely taken away from them. But the Constitution guarantees that you have representation, and done correctly, we can change lives so that really our clients can live their life, not have to worry about a conviction, and if they are convicted, we can get it off of their record. Having an experienced person who understands the system not only can save a client tens of thousands dollars, but can really give their lives back to them. I just want to say, it's interesting how in the system, there is a system for adult clients, and there's a very different criminal defense attorney for children. What's very important in representing children is that you really guide the child through the process. I always say I hold the hand of compassion towards my children clients, as well as with the adults, with their parents, so that they know at the age of 18, their child can live their life as an adult without any criminal history and without any kind of long-range negatives that can come from having a criminal conviction. Done right, criminal defense attorneys really can make a miserable situation into a situation that's a distant memory, that's not going to hold the client back in any capacity. Compassion, experience, and truly knowing the system really helps getting the client's life back. And I think that's the most important thing about having a criminal defense attorney by your side. Let them carry the burden. Let them allow you to have your life back. There's nothing else that's more important.